Looking for wild adventures, up-close animal encounters, and family fun all in one place? Today, Captain Compass is exploring ZooTampa at Lowry Park. From children's rides in a splash zone to rare animals from across 5 continents, plus amazing shows, Zookeeper Talks, and rescue efforts that really make a difference. This zoo has it all. Let's dive in. ZooTampa at Lowry Park traces its roots back to the 1930s as a small municipal zoo. It officially became Lowry Park Zoo in 1957 and was relocated and modernized in the 1980s. Its name reflects both its Tampa location and its origins in the Lowry Park neighborhood. ZooTampa is more than just a place for entertainment. It's a nationally recognized leader in animal rescue, education, and species preservation, driven by a mission to connect people with wildlife and inspire conservation. Shedding traditional bars and cages, the zoo features expansive natural habitats designed to mimic the wild. It cares exclusively for rescued animals and those born in captivity. As you enter the zoo, you're greeted by the iconic Manatee Circle fountain, a perfect photo spot. This area is surrounded by lush landscaping, gift shops, and dining options, of which we'll dive deeper into later in this video. ZooTampa is sectioned into 5 themed regions: Australia, Africa, Primates, Asia, and Florida. The park is incredibly walkable and easy to navigate with clear signage and plenty of benches with shady spots throughout, perfect for taking a break or simply soaking in the beautiful surroundings. After passing the fountain, head right and you'll find yourself in Australia, a favorite area for families with kids. This section includes a fun water play area and most of the zoo's amusement rides, and all the rides are included with your admission fee. Here you'll find Boomers Flying Bananas, where you'll soar in banana-shaped seats. The Aussie Trek is a gentle jeep ride through the landscape. Tasmanian Tiger Family Coaster is a kid-friendly coaster that will still give you thrills. You also have the iconic Jungle Carousel, a charming animal-themed ride suitable for all ages. And just around the corner in Florida is Roaring Springs. This splash ride features a 3-story drop guaranteed to cool you off. The Wallaroo Station is the heart of the Australian section, with animals like koalas, wallabies, and emus. There's also a large petting zoo, a bat aviary, colorful cockatoos, and a giant jungle gym for kids to burn off energy. Continuing right, you'll enter Africa. First stop, the safari ride. Captain Compass hopped aboard and was treated to a behind-the-scenes view of an array of animals. African bush elephants, Maasai giraffes, southern white rhinos, impalas, monkeys, a bongo, and African painted dogs. Even the elusive, little-known okapi. The narrated ride gives you animal facts and conservation stories from knowledgeable guides. Once off the ride, you can explore the same animals from a different vantage point on foot. In the nearby forest section of Africa, you'll also find pygmy hippos, shoe-bill storks, and giant tortoises. And don't miss Penguin Beach, where African penguins dive, swim, and waddle about. Next, we loop back past the Jungle Carousel and enter Primate World. The star here is the massive habitat designed for climbing, swinging, and foraging. Also in spacious enclosures are baboons and agile siamang. A true highlight was spotting a baby siamang playfully rolling and tumbling through its habitat. Other fascinating primates include globus monkeys, mandrills with vibrant faces, ring-tailed lemurs, and golden lion tamarins. The area is designed to let visitors see primates interact and play, giving insight into their intelligence and social behavior. Next up is Asia, home to some of the most unique animals in the zoo. We found the greater one-horned rhinoceros, Johnny, cooling off, blowing bubbles in his pool. Right next door, the sugar bear was looking for his dinner. Other residents include tigers, babirusa, tapirs, Komodo dragons, and a binturong. Our last area is Florida, the largest section in the park, spanning nearly 1.5 acres. As you enter, you pass the Zoo Ventures Theater, home to the Spirit of the Sky Raptor Show, where birds like bald eagles, condors, and owls fly overhead in an indoor setting. In Florida wildlife, we encountered red wolves, a sleepy North American black bear, a majestic but restless Florida panther. The Florida panther is one of the most endangered mammals in the United States, with only 120 to 230 remaining in the wild. The Florida section also features flamingos, alligators, although their exhibit was under construction, and clouded leopards. Next, we stopped by Stingray Shores, where we had the chance to gently touch and interact with stingrays as they glided through the shallow waters of the touch tank. This hands-on experience offered a unique opportunity to connect with marine life up close and personal. From there, we headed to one of the zoo's most impactful areas, Manatee Critical Care Center, a state-of-the-art facility dedicated to rescuing, rehabilitating, and releasing Florida's beloved sea creatures. Since opening in 1991, this pioneering facility has treated over 500 injured or ill manatees, many suffering from boat strikes or cold stress, and has successfully returned more than 230 of them to Florida's natural waterway. The biggest highlight of the day, the Macaw Flyover Show, near the entrance of the park. It was an unforgettable experience where macaws take to the skies, flying freely above the guests in a stunning aerial display. With wingspans stretching over 3 feet, these vibrant birds soar from trainer to trainer. It's a breathtaking moment that brings the spirit of the wild right to the heart of the zoo. It happens twice daily, so don't miss it. Zookeepers throughout the park are always ready to answer questions and share fun animal facts, making every visit both engaging and educational. For an even more unforgettable experience, guests can book a paid animal encounter, getting up close with rhinos, sloths, elephants, or tortoises, guided by expert staff in a safe, hands-on setting. During our visit, ZooTampa featured the Dinos Unearthed exhibit, a limited-time showcase of life-size animatronic dinosaurs on display from February 7th to September 2nd, 2025. It was a fascinating throwback to prehistoric times. Check out our separate video at the end of this one for the full dino adventure. Need a bite after a long day of exploring? The zoo has the Safari Pizza Company and Macaw's Landing for lunch, or the Outpost Grab and Go in Australia for pre-made sandwiches and snacks. There's also snack stations throughout the park for drinks, ice cream, beer, and soft drinks. ZooTampa also hosts exciting seasonal events that bring extra magic to your visit. In the fall, Creatures of the Night transforms the zoo into a family-friendly Halloween adventure, with themed trails, spooky shows, character meet and greets, and animal encounters. During the holidays, Christmas in the Wild lights up the park with dazzling displays, festive entertainment, and seasonal wildlife experiences, perfect for all ages. This park is a fantastic value for families and one of Florida's best day trips. With its dedication to education, rescue, and conservation, ZooTampa offers more than just entertainment. It makes a difference. Live nearby? Consider an annual pass, which includes free admission, parking, and discounts on food and experiences. ZooTampa at Lowry Park is located at 1101 West Sligh Avenue, Tampa, Florida. Admission prices and hours vary, so check their website for details. If you need help planning your next Florida adventure, give Captain Compass a call. I'm a full-service travel advisor specializing in Florida fun destinations. If you enjoyed this video and found it interesting and helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow. This is Captain Compass Travel Adventures signing off until next time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our Dinos Unearthed exhibit video next.